Welcome back, friends. So we have the Dow Jones up almost 250 points and the Nasdaq up over 141 points at the time of recording this video. We had a rather sensational session for the US markets yesterday, the Fed decision day. The reason that the markets fell after the Fed decision announcement and even after the commentary by Jeremy Powell was that they had increased the inflation forecast for 2025 and indicated in as many words that they would probably want people to believe that there could be fewer interest rate cuts in 2025 than what they were penciling in much earlier. So instead of 4 rate cuts, now they were penciling in 2 rate cuts. And there was a question mark as to even whether these 2 rate cuts would come to happen or not. Friends, we have reached a situation where the long-term bond yields are above the Fed funds rate. Now, that's not something which is unusual. It does happen. And over the last 3 years, we have seen an inverted yield curve. But normalization is something that goes on all the time. So one should not be very concerned about rising bond yields per se. However, there is always a capitulation point beyond which the increase in the bond yields can spook stock markets. Time to time, it has seen that as the bond yields near 5%, you start seeing that the stock markets as well get spooked. The important thing to know is that interest rates rising because of a rise in the GDP, the nominal GDP, the productivity gains is by itself not a bad situation. But here, when you have supply shortages, you have inflation which goes beyond productivity. It goes to supply shortages, and there is a possibility because of the immigration reforms that Donald Trump is talking about. So if that comes to happen, then that once again can lift the face of inflation. And once inflation starts going up again, you see that the pace of interest rate cuts that we have begun to believe can happen those chances can start diminishing rather quickly. Friends, therefore we have a situation that yesterday we saw that as these things started getting apparent, investors got spooked. This in addition to the red hot stock market valuations, particularly for stocks like Tesla, like Broadcom, like Nvidia. You saw all the risky stocks and the risky assets started coming down. Today they have recovered as there is some sense of sanity. Maybe it was a knee-jerk reaction, but I believe, you will see some sanity, some calm for some time before the reality dawns once again, and that can spook the markets, the US markets once again. And that's coming very soon, friends. To get to know where the US markets are headed from here, do join our Prime or Prime Plus Telegram groups, which give you predictions of the US markets. For the Indian markets, you can join Premium Value Plus, which gives you a 1-week prediction of the markets. Plus, it gives you some important trading days and good trading ideas as well. Number to get in touch, you can WhatsApp us on 982-086-1044. Happy investing and have a great investing day. Take care. Bye-bye.